Hello, dears. Welcome to the channel about beneficial masks for the skin. Here you will learn natural, effective, and easy masks. Today, I have prepared for you an effective mask recipe that will whiten the skin of the face and eliminate birthmarks. To make this mask, we need a tablespoon of black tea. It soothes the skin and nourishes it naturally. Put the dry tea leaves in a container that is convenient for you and crush them well to blend well in the mask. Benefits of green tea for the skin. Rich in antioxidants, it reduces premature signs of aging wrinkles on the skin and rejuvenates the skin. 2. Suppresses redness and inflammation. It relieves acne, redness, or sensitivity with its soothing effect. 3. Lightens pigmentation and dark spots. The skin color is evened out and light. Put a tablespoon of kefir in a glass container. Kefir naturally moisturizes, whitens, and rejuvenates the skin. The vitamins and probiotics it contains are very beneficial for skin health. I used 3 tablespoons of kefir in the video, but I increased the amount because I use it all over my face, arms, neck, and legs because I get sunburned. 1 tablespoon green tea. For maximum effect, it is recommended to use the mask 3 times a week. After mixing the mask well, leave it for a while so that the beneficial properties of the green tea can be released. I recommend using this mask only on clean skin and mainly in the evening, as this is when the skin absorbs it best and the results are stronger. Keep the mask on your face for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, carefully rinse the mask off your face with warm water. Your skin will feel light and clean. I'm curious, which country are you watching us from? After the mask, soothe your face with a moisturizing cream. This will give your skin a rest and help you see effective results faster. You can store leftovers from the mask in the refrigerator for 2 days.